Hello friends, good morning. Today we start our presentation regarding underwriting account. Before start our presentation, first of all welcome to all become TY students. Friends, in this PPT we share the underwriter account problem second. Previously one problem we see. Now in this problem underwriter account second problem, and we see the partial underwriting. Now partial underwriting, the problem is Mrs. Shah Brothers of Bombay underwrote 80% of the public issue of 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each made by the Indian Computers Limited. The issue was payable as follows: on application rupees 3, on allotment rupees 5, on first and final call rupees 2. Then the public applied only for 9,000 shares. Shah Brothers fulfilled their obligation. Later on, they sold 75% of their holding at rupees 9 per share. The underwriting commission was agreed at 4%. The underwriter expenses on printing and publicity amounted to rupees 1,200, and the market value of the date of accounting was rupees 7 per share. So this is the problem. Show the underwriting account in the books of Shah Brothers. Now before start the solution, we must uh, uh, see the working note before preparing underwriting account. Which are working note? First working note, that is to find out underwriter's liability. Now how to find out underwriter's liability? The underwriter's liability will be find out in the problem. First of all, see the company how many shares issued. A company issued 10,000 shares. So first of all we taken when find out underwriter's liability, number of shares issued, then less number of shares subscribed. Uh, the public applied, how many shares applied from public? 9,000 shares applied from the public. So this applied from public uh, deduct, or we can say number of shares subscribed. So deduct these subscribed shares from number of shares issued. How many now remain? The remain is 1,000, and that 1,000 we call short subscription. I think you know very well. Again I told you how to find out underwriter's liability. First working note, underwriter's liability, it will be find out number of shares issued. That shares will be issued 10,000 less number of shares subscribed. The shares subscribed, it is given in the problem 9,000, and deduct 10,000 minus 9,000, short subscription, that is 1,000. So the underwriters, we must find out the underwriters liability. In the problem say that the Shah brothers underwrote 80% of the public issue. Shah brothers underwrote 80% of the public issue. So since only 80% of the issue is underwritten, and the underwriter liability is also 80% of short subscription. We find out for short subscription 1000, and 80% of the 1000, it is the underwriter's liability. So 80% of the 1000, that is 800, and 800 is the underwriter's liability. Then next working note number 2, underwriter's commission. Now underwriter's commission, how to find out underwriter's commission? It is noted that the commission is on amount underwritten and not just on short subscription. कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है अंडरराइटर्स का कमीशन? एक इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स it will be noted that. What important things? The underwriter's commission is not just on short subscription. कैसे निकाला जाता है? शॉर्ट सब्सक्रिप्शन पे नहीं निकाला जाता. तो कैसे निकाला जाता है? तो जो शेयर्स अंडर रोट किए हैं उससे. अंडर रोट शेयर्स कितने किए हैं? अंडर रोट 80% शेयर अंडर रोट किए हैं. सो नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स इशूड 10,000. नाउ नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स अंडर रिटन 80% of 10,000. हाउ? 8,000. Then issue price of shares underwritten, you know very well, issue price is rupees 10 per shares. So 10 per shares into 8,000, how many? 80,000. So 80,000 the issue price of underwritten. So commission, it is given in the problem, commission at 4% on rupees 80,000, that is 3,200. Okay, two things we find out. One is underwriter liability. In underwriter liability, first of all we find out short subscription, then underwriter's liability, 80% of short subscription, then underwriter's commission, then we prepare the underwriter account. First of all, third one working note, that is cost per share price formula. The formula given to you, that is total debit minus total credit excluding sale proceed upon number of shares taken up minus number of shares transferred to sub underwriter. This is the formula. Now in this formula, we fill up the amount. This amount when prepare, we prepare underwriter account, then we fill up this amount. That amount will be 9,200 total debits minus 3,200 total credits. Then upon number of shares taken up, 800 number of shares taken up, minus number of shares transferred to sub underwriter. Here no sub underwriter, so nil. Then calculate 9,200 minus 3,200, 6,000 upon 800 minus nil, 800. So is equal to 7.50 per share. Now we find out the share price per share, and in the problem the price also given to you. Cost price we find out, and in the problem price also given you. Whichever is less, that price will be applied here. Now in the books of Shah Brothers, prepare underwriting account in bracket shares of Indian Computer Limited. How many columns there are? On debit side, particular incoming shares and amount. On credit side, particular outgoing shares and amount. 3 columns on debit side, 3 columns on credit side. Simply, it is like profit and loss account. Why profit and loss account? Because on debit side of profit and loss account we taken all expenses, and on credit side we taken all incomes. Here is also on underwriting account, on debit side all expenses has been given, and on credit side all income has been given. Now which expenses we see the solution? First of all, on debit side, to bank expenses, the underwriter expense for that process 1200, and the amount has been on 1200 taken. Then the underwriters pay to Indian Computers Limited the amount which are on application, on allotment, on call payable to Indian Computers Limited. Now first of all, application money paid. So to bank, how many shares underwritten, short subscription 800 shares. So on application money how many? 3 rupees. So 800 into 3, 2400. So 2400 is on application money payable to the company, because it is an expenditure according to underwriter. Then to bank allotment money, same process. Allotment money is rupees 5 per shares, and the underwriter's liability 800 shares. So 800 into 5, 2000, 4000. Then call, to bank call money. Call money how many? 2 rupees call money. So 2 rupees into 800, that is 1600. Then when we pay this application, allotment, and call money to the company, then go to credit side. On credit side, first of all take the commission. How to? By bank commission. Previously in working note we find out commission 4% on rupees 80,000. Why rupees 80,000? Because the shares are underwrote 80% of the issue. So in the working note we see, and commission also we calculated 3200. Then by bank, in the problem say that of this underwrote of these shares which are taken by underwriter 800 shares, so 600 shares were issued, means it is a income regarding to according to underwriter. So rate is also given to you. Rate is 9 per shares. So 600 shares issue at the rate of rupees 9. So 600 into 9, 5400. The sale proceed we can say. So sale proceed 5400. Now after preparing the sale proceed, then total the debit side of incoming shares. Here incoming shares 800. So total 800. So take this total on credit side 800. So here only we see the 600. So deduct 600 from 800. How many balance? 200 balance. And that balance, the outgoing shares balance, we can say balance carried down, and the rate we here taken, the rate we taken here given in the problem, the market value of the date of accounting was rupees 7 per share. Look प्रॉब्लम में जो दिया है वो मार्केट वैल्यू 7 रुपीज़ है, और कॉस्ट प्राइस वी कैलकुलेटेड. कॉस्ट प्राइस हाउ टू कैलकुलेट? द फार्मूला विच इज गिवन इन द वर्किंग नोट. rupees 7.50. Now cost price is 7.50 and market price is 7. Whichever is less, कौन सी कम है, मार्केट प्राइस कम है या कॉस्ट प्राइस कम है? कॉस्ट प्राइस तो 7.50 है और मार्केट प्राइस ये प्रॉब्लम में दी हुई है रुपीज 7. विच एवर इज लेस, जो भी इसमें से कम है वो यहाँ पर लेना है. तो 7 रुपीज वी अप्लाई हियर. सो 7 इंटू 200, रिमेनिंग शेयर्स बचे हैं 200. तो 200 इंटू 7, 1400. Then the amount which are total credit side 10,000, here taken 10,000, and the remaining balance which are transferred to profit and loss account, that is profit is 800. So this is the underwriting account. Very simple, friend. You try this problem, try to solve this problem. If any problem, so ask me or tell me on my email or on my mobile. So thank you, friends. Stay home, stay safe. My email has been given here, sukeshdhemre@gmail.com. Mobile number 9881480582. So thank you, friend. Thank you very much.